Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are well and good. This video lecture is from Future Concern Grammar School, Sargoda.
Today we will learn about number 13. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 sharpener. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 apples. Let's see how to write number 13. Make a slanting line, then standing line and slipping line. It's a 1 and make a curved line and again make a curved line. It's a 3, 1, 3, 13. Hope you have understood. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.